Take command of the road in the 2009 Ford F-150 SuperCrew. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.